Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. I just want to apologize real quick for the lighting. It started off really nice, and then the sun started setting, since it's 3:30 here in Canada, that means time for the sun to start setting. But yeah, the sun started setting, and I kind of noticed, halfway through the video and tried to play with the blinds, but it was messing up the exposure and, really not helping, and I was in the middle of recording, so I just kind of left it alone. But then the nano leaf started showing, and it's a little distracting, I will say. In the future, I'll try to control that a little bit better. But yeah, I just really wanted to do another traditional art video because I like the quality of this webcam. It makes me feel like, I don't know, I got the good mic and the good webcam. That means I'm a YouTuber now. So yeah, I just wanted to do another one. I drew my little bird OC that I got from Seal. I just wanted to paint fun colors and stuff. And yeah, the avocado tree is not super accurate, but I learned that avocados just kind of grow off this dangling vine, I guess. It's definitely, it's something. It's funny. I had no idea. I knew it wouldn't be growing like a banana, I figured it would be like apples or something. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. I like how this turned out. It was a fun little drawing. I forgot his markings, so I added them in pencil after, which I think just kind of makes it look cute and all mixed media-y. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.